Okay, day 4 of our trip here in Queensland. Yesterday was a good day. It was fun, the Great Barrier Reef. Now we're heading out to the SKYRAIL. Yeah, SKYRAIL. I'm not in my mind today. We'll be heading there and we'll be checking out the rainforest, I think. Shit, I have no idea what I'm doing. Anyway, yeah. This is accommodation for day 1 and day 2. It has a pool, but we would take a bath because we were so busy. And we were in the Great Barrier Reef, so it's better than a swimming pool. So yeah, this is the place. This I don't know. Shit, I can't hold myself. There you go. So yeah, this is our accommodation, and we're heading to the SKYRAIL right now. We're running a bit late, but we can do it. Oh, shit, I entered the wrong door. Fuck this. Embarrassing.
Huh? The world's oldest rainforest, I think.
And there's a bridge there. What's that bridge for? It's for bridging gaps of the world. Look, it's boiling water. So yeah, we're on the SKYRAIL right now, and this SKYRAIL is for the sky, not the railroad. Shut up, Mick. Shut up.
Pero may lang ba na i-cable? Pwede na siguro.
Yeah. What? Yeah. Super.
Not like we don't have that.
There's a kangaroo. So it's third day here. Third day in Cairns, in the Gold Coast. No, in Queensland. Fuck it. I should.
Yeah, no shoulds. Just be casual. Don't be so papogi.
I'm not papogi. I'm not papogi. What do you think? I'm papogi? Am I pogi?
Cute. Di ka din cute, pero parang.
I always forget inhaling because my stomach's big, and whenever I talk on the camera, sometimes the tip of my stomach is seen. So I should look good in the camera.
Why?
Because I am pogi. Let's sit at the back part. There you go. And we'll see the whole world from behind. Apparently, I don't know how to wakeboard. Oh, too bad, Mike. Too bad. So, according to studies, there's a study of the... No, I'm gonna shut up now. This is a $50 ride. It's okay. It's okay. I need to calm myself. You're not paying for the ride. You're paying for the experience. You're paying...
You're not even experiencing
to
your
watch
camera.
This. Look at the forest floor. No, you can't see anything at all. Yep.
Ang taas ni David, guys.
And it's really high. Look at that. Look at that.
Oldest na ganda siya. Ang maadling ara.
This is one. That. Good thing I saw it. Not smoke, but this one here. Put the camera out there and show you the world. There's civilization. There's a road. There's a road. Yeah, of course there's a road because we'll be heading on the bus down. So that's it. So yeah, finally I got to meet Phil, who does the tours here. Cool place.
Go into you like that, but if you're rubbing it that way, you're fine. Okay, so you can see how dangerous this one is. Walking around, it'll get you, and then you say to your friends, "Can you please wait a while? I'll be with you in a moment." All the locals call this plant "wait a while" because you got to wait a while. All right. There's a red-bellied black snake with red underneath. It is venomous, but very placid. So as long as you don't pick it up or stand on it, it probably won't bite you. You're okay. Like that, but mostly it eats fruits. And a fruit the size of a mango, if this bird finds it, it'll pick it up and swallow it. It actually doesn't swallow, but the fruit just drops straight down, and it passes through the body in just a few hours. The period between 1 and 10 hours studies have showed. So the birds carry these large seeds of big fruits from the parent trees out to other places in the rainforest. That's the only way they can get dispersed out there. With their raptor-like claws, when they kick like a big rooster, they can weigh as much as I do. The good news about that is they're nice birds, don't worry about it, okay? They'll walk around, they'll check you out, they'll follow you around a bit, look, have you got any food? No, and then they'll just wander off. They're a very relaxed, calm bird, but they're just like us, as I mentioned earlier. If they feel threatened by you, if you get too close to their chicks, or if you're chasing them through the forest trying to get his picture, he may turn on you. For that reason, he feels threatened by you. So it's quite simple. I've seen them more than 100 times in the wild, never had a problem. But I have seen the attack videos on YouTube, and these birds can be pretty bad. So, that's good. They're nice birds, don't worry. And I hope you see one today. The other two things, and that may be why they end up out on the roads, probably looking for people, because people are good. And then bang, they get hit by a car and they get killed. So we don't want them on the roads. So if you are driving around, sometimes they just naturally go out there. These birds are active during the day. So if any of you folks are driving around, please watch out for them on the roads and just be very careful. We had some people yesterday that saw them on the roads, Eddy Bay and Cape Trip, they saw them. Of course, the only place you should ever feed them is in the zoo, where they spend their life in a cage. Feed them there, that's okay, but don't ever feed them in the wild. The numbers here in this World Heritage rainforest that covers around nearly 2 million acres, most of it being rainforest, they believe somewhere between 1,000 to 2,000 left in the forest today. In the past, the main reason for the decline in numbers was deforestation, but today most of our forest is protected and we really don't have much of that deforestation going on.
Southern cassowary, one of the most dangerous birds. Look at those foot there, it's like dinosaurs. But they're fairly relaxed, just don't provoke them. Thanks to Phil for the information. And I'm looking at the poo here. This is bird poo. Damn. Oh yeah, it's quite bumpy up here. Oh, look at that rainforest, man. Look at that rainforest. Look at bird. Hi, Laura. What can you say about the rainforest?
Huge.
It's huge. It's huge. There's a viewing deck there. So I'm heading to a viewing deck for the Barren Falls. That's the viewing deck. That's it. Currently touring the rainforest. We're on the lookout for food. Any cafes. Yeah, that's our main goal here. To look for food. Okay. Interpretative center and toilets. You're gonna interpret things like I don't know what. Anyway. Gotta go down. Forest floor is Gorge there.
No water.
Oh, it's so dry. Yeah, it's a dry season. There was somebody who came in May and noted that it's dry. Gorge out there. There's the gorges. I'm gorgeous. There's the Barren Gorge. Look pretty awesome.
Gamay lang po.
Look at the birdie. My camera can't see anything. Guess where the skin. Look at the eggs. Oh, that's cool for ramen egg. The tree kangaroo. It's the kangaroo on the tree, obviously. River Placid. There you go. Food.
Indot pa daw ang train kay moagi gito sa middle sa rainforest, no? Tapos hinay lang moagi ka mga kahoy na. I can see now how it's going. Because if you like, I don't know, trees, that would be really good. I want to do it now.
But it's not running.
Funny. I can see how it's awesome.
Now she's still looking for the food. I can smell something. I have a feeling the food is just somewhere around here. No, it's just out there. Come on. So we're heading to the Kuranda Hotel. Check out some food, of course. Food, of course. There's a river cruise there. There's a train ride, but there's no train today. So, tough luck. Get it for the train though. We chose not to because we're gonna spend it more on food. Yes, food. Fish tea. That's what you call a fish tea. Food. Yeah, food.
Sounds good.
Just mix this one with the coconuts. Kangaroo squatting. Oh, plane wreck. What a wreck. So the aircraft is given a name, Geronimo. This is a historical plane wreck over here. Oh. The tree has grown into it. Like, yeah.
Was it what?
Huh? So yeah, we're just going around this place here. It's a big marketplace. There's even a golf thingy. This place is nice. And we wasted a time buying something there in the market up there, which is not nice. Oh well. Just passing by. Huh? Yeah, chill. Huh?
Music all around.
Japanese matcha. Yeah, the place is pretty good, but we wasted a time there. So yeah, just gonna go straight here. Are you gonna go out? Yeah. Okay, I stopped filming and I waited for the bus. The driver was only there to take cash, and I had to run to the ATM to get cash. That's around 3 blocks. Also, this guy we met from a bratwurst shop gave us free bratwurst because we didn't have cash then. Such a good soul. Thank him. The bus driver was rude, but it's all good because he waited. Are you hipster?
Are you vegan?
And yeah, we didn't have any cash, so I ended up running to the bank to pay for the bus.
What a bank?
To the bank.
Oh really?
I went to a bank.
A real bank?
Bendigo Bank. It was a good morning run. I nearly collapsed. All the oxygen off my head was gone, and I was lightheaded all the way down from the mountains on the bus. But life is good. Yeah.
Mag-hire na sila ka ng camper vans.
I'm singing in the sun. I'm singing in the sun. What a lovely winter. We're wearing singlets. I'm beginning to miss winter.
Seriously?
Nah. I love the winter. It's nice here.
It's hot, but it's not too hot.
Yeah, it's just fine. Welcome to Mount Mayon. No, that's not Mount Mayon. That's something else. All lyrics.
Optimist about it. I'm gonna be an optimist. Got something I need in a world full of people. There's one killing me, and if we only die once, I wanna die with you. But if we only die once, I wanna die with you. You've got something I need in this world full of people. There's one killing me, and if we only die once, I wanna die with you. I wanna die with you. You got something I need in this world full of people. There's one killing me, and if we only die once, I wanna die with you. Apoy na ko.
Kapoy na?
You got something I need.